I forgot to bring a battery. I got to charge this battery. I'm happy I did turn this camera on. And we on the west side right now, I think. I don't know where I'll be at half of the time. Boulder Crest, west side, right side. I'm just in Atlanta. Ready to pick up my mechanic Q, my main man, mechanic / homeboy. Go scoop him up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to the boring shop. You're welcome. Got Coco with us. Pregnant mommy. What you doing, pregnant mommy?
Turn right.
Got bikes. Got them bike. Yamaha. What a coincidence. We ready to go get a Yamaha fix and Yamaha pull next to it. God is good, ain't it? Y'all drive safe, boy. Get the boys there, man. Nah, you good. Yeah, nah, we just pulled up. Yeah, we just pulled up. I think the shop closed. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna try to figure it out. Alright. That pop out this tomorrow. What they say? What did it say online? Did you Google it? Made a mistake and got the wrong hours. Us being thirsty, so we got the wrong hours. So we showed up to the shop when they was closed. As y'all can tell, the doors was shut. But we're gonna do the same. This ain't gonna discourage us because Gabe ain't show me nothing. Gabe gotta be that type shit. He ain't give me that. He getting You want me to drop it off and you tell and you tell the man?
Look, bro, listen. I can call Mr. Matt right now. I'll send you the address and the number, and I'm gonna tell him you're gonna be dropping the jugs off, the piston and the rings for the piston, Shamar.
I'ma FaceTime you. I'ma FaceTime when you get. You said the piston, the rings, yeah. I got all that.
Yeah, no, let me send you the address. Then I'm gonna call. I just got off the phone with the owner, Mr. Matt, who I talked to earlier. They inspecting, bro. They know the battery, the jugs, the piston, and the rings. They got the bore size already and the ring gaps. So just go straight to him. I guess you Mr. Charles. That's the owner. That's who just picked up the phone. It's either him gonna be in the front or Mr. Matt.
Alrighty.
Yeah, Thursday.
Alright, yeah. I'm just dropping them off to him, right? And I'll pick them up tomorrow.
You drop them off.
Oh man, so we don't know when they're gonna be done.
Nah, I told him, bro. I told him we need to have it done within the next 1 to 2 days. Bring him in so we can check over everything.
Yeah, so basically we're gonna find out once we drop them off right now. Alright, okay. Alright, well I'm like 20 minutes from the shop. I'll call you when I get there.
FaceTime me as soon as you get there, bro.
Alright, send them on. We are here at Okay, how you doing? My boy Q, bro. You told me to come up with Q. I said I need to get some things for Banshee.
Banshee, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's about 10,000. I'm gonna call the block out here just to be 100%.
Okay, perfect.
I don't want to take it and say no, you can't do it. Jason, front counter, please.
Hard to find machine shops here.
Yes. I'm sure we can do it before he leaves them. I just want to do a little bit of it.
I think that's the
Yeah, that's the. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
okay.
Yeah, I didn't tune it. Rode it to Ohio. Took it up to Ohio, Cleveland by Lake Erie.
Yeah.
She blew like I didn't tune it for the altitude, so it cost me a couple $1,000.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Blew the bottom and the top crankshaft. I mean,
Who'd have thought you got to
completely.
pay attention to the climbing?
It's not a cheap game, is it?
Definitely not. Banshees is definitely far from a cheap game.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it.
Okay, yeah, great. Appreciate it, Mr. Mike. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
SHA, and they are. So 777. All right, thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Mike.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good day.
You too. I mean, he said the longest it's gonna be. He said 2 minutes. Exactly. But after talking to him about Detroit, I think this is the best bet, bro.
The dude in Detroit?
No, this guy.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm saying you talked to the dude.
Yeah, I talked to him, Mr. Mike, about the dude in Detroit, and I think that Mr. Mike and him is the because the mailing thing, like that's the only. I mean, everything else is cool, but mailing it there and mailing it back.
And mailing it back and make sure nothing gets messed up.
If anything's messed up here where we don't like, that's where we gotta come back.
Look, bro,
My man, I feel so cute, you know what I mean? He got the fucking Tyrese motherfucking stocking cap on right now, but that's my dog, you know, he trying to get them waves in. He trying to get them. But what you was saying though?
But nah, look, really, bro, we got the plug, bro, because nobody else knows on the East Coast about him, bro.
The bike running this week. For everybody gonna see, they gonna see the bike. We outside. That's all we do. So what we saying is we got the record shop. It's gonna be done in 24 hours. I'm not playing with y'all, man. Me and my man FSO Q, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? What's going on, FSO Willie King Sevyn coming back.
Yes, Lord. But yeah, like I said, man, we taking over, man. The bike is done. We ain't got no more worries. Tomorrow is gonna be the day in the field. And it's over. Tomorrow's gonna be the day of the leak down. I'm sorry. Heat cycle. Tune in. That's it. And then we pop a clutch. This weekend, it's a vibe. Me and Job Money, you know what I'm saying? We pop the clutches this weekend. We outside, we not in. We downtown. We got, look, Ty, man, we got the Serpent Fall on us. Man, we lit. Just got realized, man. Like I said, my man, my homeboy, you know, Job Money, Job to the money, you know, Job get the money, whatever you want to call him. You know what I mean? Job have money, you know what I mean? Job had money, whatever you want to call him, you know what I mean? He gets to the motherfucking building, these Banshees. He built the Banshee up from a screw, from a frame. No wheels, no axle, no nothing. I got witness him do that, right? I said, Wayne, that nigga built this Banshee up from the ground up. Wayne said, for real? He said, yeah. He said, how it's running? I said, it's good. Gotta be what? I told him that. Guess what, Brody came back with a bulletproof bike. He keep undermining himself and not realizing how lit he is, but whatever. Like I said, man, he know he lit now. And that's the same mistakes we ain't making twice. We're going up to the top. Down and all that tomorrow. Like I said, we're also going to do the pressure test and stuff tomorrow. But yeah, I'm telling niggas I don't get no service now. They really don't believe it. But yeah, man, home sweet home. If y'all knew how much driving we just did, we just driving. Did we, son?
Yeah.
3 hours driving. If I didn't want to get this bike fixed, I had mad excuses not to get this bike. Getting it done. No excuse. Camera on camera. Dog vlog. And several with me out in the field today. This package is so hard to open. Y'all fucking loud. Get back. Oh shit, breathe. I thought we had this shit breathe. Huh? Ah.
Oh, she got there.
Look at that. Let me show you before and after. That's before. Oh, that's after she blew. Brand new. And new to me. Thank you. What you got there, girl? What's that?
Some Trey Young wings from Hungry AF.
That's from where?
Hungry AF. I'm literally Hungry AF.
That's country. Now what you eating again?
Hungry AF. Because I'm Hungry AF.
One more time. Say it again, babe.
Hungry AF.
Because what?
I'm Hungry AF.
All right, one more time. I'm gonna go from this angle. One more time.
We're eating some Hungry AF wings. Trey Young. The flavor type. What does it taste like, Seth?
What you eating? What you eating? Hungry ass because of what?
I'm Hungry AF. Corny. It's not corny.
Let me make it there.
Are y'all ready? Alrighty. On your mark, get set, go! Let's see. He got you. Just back this up. That was time. I'm sorry.
I gave him a head start anyway. After running around to meet John 7, going to A to B and C, to find out if we can get it done in time, which thank God we're successful and we're able to get it done in time. I mean, really, I wanted it done the next day. I'm impatient, I must say. Sorry, John, you know you my dog, but I'm very impatient. But he worked with me, made it easy. I'm just ready to chill back now. In the next video, you'll see the bike running. You see us testing and going through heat cycles. You see us testing and tuning. I'm gonna just slowly include my family more and more in these vlogs because that's what I'm doing this shit for. I'm really not a dirt bike channel. This is not what I'm trying to do. I'm just vlogging my lifestyle and letting y'all see my life, literally, like at this moment right now. You see my life through the lens. Like, you get to witness what I'm doing and going. Of course, the edited version. Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying. But hey, you'll witness the edited version and get to, you know, learn me more. But yeah, man, we're ready to get in this pool with the kids. Matter of fact, we ready to hit y'all with some water scenes. Practice though. Jump, mama. Jump, king. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump, king. Yeah. That's a wrap. There's a couple jumps. I gotta get a better. I had lost weight ever since I first got my leg amputated, and I had these. I never tried it with this type of leg, with the pin leg, but now I see that it's pretty cool. It's dope. It's useful. The support, the knee supports, is pretty good. But now I see that I need a better one because this quality sucks, especially for swimming. But I'm blessed. I'm just blessed to go swimming because I would think I would be swimming with one leg. I'm blessed to jump. God is good. Oh, y'all want to see me jump? Oh, let me jump one more time for y'all. Oh, keep it up. Go ahead.